Wow, a magic toothbrush! It's glowing and sparkling! I'm ready to brush.
Brush your teeth nice and slow. Time to clean them, here we go. Morning time, fresh and bright. Let's make teeth clean and white. Up and down, nice and slow. Take your time, go, go, go. Side to side, soft and light. Keep them shiny, clean and bright. Front teeth first, don't forget. Back teeth too, clean them yet. Round and round, gentle care. Happy smile everywhere. Can you smile big and wide? Show your teeth full of pride. Hold it there, 1, 2, 3. That's a happy smile I see. Brush your teeth nice and slow. Up and down and go, go, go. Side to side, soft and light. Keep them shiny, clean and bright. Take some water, splash, splash, splash. Wash your face in a flash. Soft and gentle, nice and clean. Freshest face ever seen. Wash your hands, don't be fast. Rub them well, make it last. Front and back, in between. Keep your little hands all clean. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Watch them floating, never stop. Big bubbles, small bubbles too. Floating slowly just for you. Pop one bubble, pop it now. Pop it gently, show me how. 1, 2, 3, pop again. Bubble fun again, again. Clean and fresh, ready to go. Healthy habits help us grow. Brush your teeth every day. So mellow rhymes way. Clean and bright, shiny smile. Happy faces all the while. Brush and wash, don't delay. So mellow rhymes way. Brush your teeth